Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming accounts and proofs of purchase, because that's how Microsoft links keys to you. Sign into the Microsoft account you used to buy Office. Once signed in, open Services and Subscriptions to check existing licenses. If you have a product key from a sticker or receipt, photograph it now. Make sure the device has stable internet and admin rights so you can run commands or installers immediately without delays. Next, search backups and current system state to extract the key or license. If you backed up files, scan cloud storage for emails or key files. If Office partially survived the reset, run a product key reader or PowerShell commands to query installed licenses. When tools fail, retrieve purchase history from the store where you bought Office, because resellers log transactions. Make sure to verify email timestamps and order numbers to match the exact product edition you need to reactivate. Finally, reactivate Office by signing into any Office app with the confirmed Microsoft account. The license should attach automatically. If online activation errors appear, use the phone activation option or run the activation troubleshooter to get an error code to report. If you still can't reactivate, contact Microsoft support with your order ID, receipt images, and account email so they can reset or reissue the license. One tip: keep screenshots of error messages to speed up support resolution.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.